For this recipe you'll need a bowl, scales, about 700 grams of tomato puree, store-bought or homemade, about 1 teaspoon of any type of vinegar, about 25 grams of onion, this can be a spring onion, chives or normal onion, 2 large cloves of garlic, about 15 grams of fresh coriander, 10 grams of salt, which is about 2 teaspoons, about 4 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon, pinch of chilies, and 1 teaspoon of spices of your choice. I'm going with Georgian utrosuneli, also known as blue fenugreek, but this can be anything like paprika or pepper or any sorts of spice that you like. Cut coriander very fine. Slice the onions very fine. We will mince the garlic directly into the sauce. Alternatively, you can use a food processor for the coriander, onion and garlic. Combine it really well. You can actually enjoy this as it is, just put it in the fridge and use it as a condiment. This is what they do in Georgia, but of course I am going to pour this into a mason jar and ferment it for a few days. This will enhance its flavor and also give you all the benefits of lactofermentation. Ferment the sauce on the counter, covered. We will check on it every day, looking out for bubbles, and we will also stir it every day. In the end, we let it ferment for 7 days. We stirred it every day leading up to it, and as you can see we haven't got a lot left because we had a barbecue on the 7th day. So from here on, just seal it up and store it in the fridge like any other condiment.